Kakauwi ko lang galing sa mga deliveries. Tapos ito, merong mga new orders dito sa TikTok shop. So, couple of people. Pero may nag-catch ng interest sa akin. Big shoutout kay Yumi57490. May mga multiple orders ka dito. I just want to confirm kung tama ba to talagang mga ginawa mo or nagkamali ka, kasi meron kang dalawang order ng gallons. Ang isang gallon is around 1.5, so dalawang order mo, so that's around 3,000 pesos, no? Tapos yung isang mong order is 700 ml size ng bote. So I'm shooting this video for you, ma'am. And ano ba ang real name mo? Atalia, no? You're from Marilao, Bulacan, no? Ma'am Atalia, I just want to confirm this kung hindi ka ba nagkamali dito. So, 3 items lahat to. 2 gallons and then isang bote ng 700 ml. Yung 4 kantos na malaki, no? So, I'm going to tag you in this video. And Marilao, Bulacan, if I'm going to fix this one, ano na ngayon eh, gabi na. Today is November 5. It's 8:36 in the evening that I am shooting this. I'm going to prepare your order tomorrow morning. Mapipick up to ng JNT Express Rider ng mga lunchtime. Marilao lang po kayo. Thursday bukas, Wednesday ngayon ng gabi, Friday marireceive po ninyo. But once you have watched this video, can you please give me a personal message or mag-comment ka na lang dito sa video na to na hindi ka nagkamali. I just want to confirm. Kasi 3 items to. 2 gallons at saka isang boteng 700 ml. Thank you very much.